The future of work is here. People and AI working side by side across every space with our intelligent devices. Cisco makes it easier than any other vendor to manage your spaces. With cloud control, you spend less time managing infrastructure and more time driving impact. Turn data into real decisions about how spaces are used in Workspace Advisor. Deploy devices in minutes with zero-touch provisioning, like the RoomKit Pro G2, which simplifies setups with AV over IP architecture that connects everything over a single cable. The Desk Pro G2, which turns every desk into a fully capable meeting environment. And the Board Pro G3, providing an all-in-one system for integrating AI into every brainstorm. All of these devices work with any meeting platform your teams already use. Plus, Cisco ships AI agents directly on these devices, like Director or Notetaker, powered by the latest NVIDIA chipset, always on, always working alongside your teams. That's the power of Cisco.